So my fog lamp switch is not working in the PT Cruiser. When I have the fog light sensor on, they will not turn off. So I guess this is a common problem in the PT Cruiser. So I'm replacing the whole switch. So the fault is in the switch, they say. So I bought a whole new switch to replace that one. Comes with everything. So now I'm in the process of removing the existing one. So you have to just pull this down underneath the steering wheel. Bam, pulled it down. And it's a Phillips screw that's holding these in here. So I unscrewed that other side, unscrewed this side, and let's see if there's any more. There could be some more. So I'm gonna get those done. So I'll keep you guys posted. So I got that off. So it's actually 2 screws that you have. Oh, sorry, here. What's this? Right over me. So it's 2 screws you have to remove. Those are the 2 holes. And then you break apart the column plastics. They come right off. And now I got access to this. Now I gotta see how to get this off. Gotta remove that plug in the back and see how many screws are holding this thing in. Yeah, this one on the top has to be removed, so I'll get to these screws and that plug, and I think we should be in good shape. So it's 2 screws on top. Okay. So it's just those 2 top screws that need to come out, and you're gonna have to pull the red safety tabs on these clips. There's 2 clips on the back, and then you squeeze this and pull out. Squeeze this and pull out. The thing I didn't notice is this one has the window wiper switch attached, and this one doesn't. So I'm gonna have to transfer that over, but it only looks like it's 2 little screws right there. This is all dirty, and yeah, so it should just be the 2 screws. To take these top screws out, it was a T20 that you have to use, a Torx 20. And I have to move this sensor over, the relay over. So you got to do those things. These look smaller. Not too sure. I know they're not a T20. They could be a T15 or T10. I'll figure that out and get back to you guys. So I got this piece separated. Came out pretty easy. It's a T10 to get this out. Now I'm going to put this on a new one and move this relay over to here. Oops, here, and reinstall. So now this is the new piece here, and I got my windshield wiper, got my light switch, put the 2 T10s back in, and we put that relay. And so now time to replug into the steering column and reinstall. Trying to do this while I'm on camera. So the switch is working, the headlights are on. Now I gotta test out the fog lamps. See if my wipers still work. Wipers still work. Okay. So those still work. And now I took out the fuse for the fog lamps because it was staying on all the time and it was killing my battery. So even if I had the car off, they will still be on. So now I gotta plug back in that fuse. I believe it was a 10. I just gotta remember where it was. So I'm gonna plug that in and see if it works. So it was actually a 15 amp fuse in slot 8. You can see I don't have it there. So let me go find a 15 and plug it in and we can see if it works. So now I got a 15 in there. Let's see if it works. Right there, slot 8. So now we got the fog lamps on. Let's see if they turn them off when I turn it off. I gotta do the other side. So that's a regular bulb and that's Auxito. I did that video. But then that's when I found out my fog lamps didn't work. So I just turned them off and they turned off. Perfect. So the fix to that, if your fog lamps are staying on all the time on your PT Cruiser, that's a faulty switch. It's a common problem. So this is a 2005, but I think it runs in all the models, if I'm not mistaken. So the switch was around less than 40 bucks on Amazon. And yeah, pretty easy fix. Now I'm gonna put the plastics back on. Reverse step of me taking them off. There's two bolts underneath that hold the plastics together, and put that back up. So everything's back installed, and I'm gonna pop this out, see how it looks. So back installed. Fog lamps look good with the LED headlights. So LED fogs and LED headlights. So please leave a comment, like, subscribe. Let me know if this helped you out. Hit that thumbs up for me. Thank you guys.